Why are there not more people talking about mortgage pre-approval? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage is a smart first step before house hunting. Here's how you can do it easily and efficiently. First, gather your documents. You'll need your ID, proof of income, tax returns, and bank statements. Sounds like a lot, but trust me, it's worth it. Next, check your credit score. A higher score can get you better interest rates. And don't worry, there are plenty of free tools online to help you with this. Now choose a lender. Do some research or ask friends and family for recommendations. Find someone who communicates well and offers good terms. Once you've picked a lender, fill out the application. This part might seem daunting, but just take it step by step. Your lender will guide you through it. After submitting your application, the lender will review your documents and run a credit check. If everything checks out, you'll receive a pre-approval letter. This letter shows sellers you're serious and financially ready to buy. And there you have it. With your pre-approval letter in hand, you'll be one step closer to owning your dream home. Happy house hunting! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on buying your first home. See you next time.